October 26th, and guess what day it is? It's my birthday!
It's your birthday.
It's my birthday.
Happy birthday. Alright, the red sweater.
Okay, you guys, it's my birthday, and I just woke up and I'm feeling sick. I don't know why, but it is. What time it is? It's 11 a.m. and we got up super late today because I am sick. Not that sick, just a little bit sick. But it's my birthday, so yeah. What's the plan today?
Our plan today. We're gonna go get breakfast right now, and later on a birthday dinner, and then after that, some surprise.
I honestly don't know what we're gonna do today besides going out to eat. You know, like I say, I am not feeling well since I have been to Vegas. I haven't been outside, but the hotel, I haven't even like go places, not even at the mall. So wish me luck today. I pray that I feel super better today so I can have fun on my birthday. You know, it's my birthday and it's our 1 year anniversary. So yeah. Okay. It's my birthday. Okay. Hello, a little catch up with you guys. So we're just getting ready right now to go out to eat for my birthday. So over there fixing our clothes. Where we going out to eat, baby?
Paris, Eiffel Tower.
Yeah, so we're going out to Eiffel Tower to eat. It's gonna be my first time going over there. So excited.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Il faut chanter pour briller, il faut danser pour prier. Aujourd'hui
It's my birthday!
il y aura toute la nuit, mais plus rien de bon. T'auras encore toute la nuit pour faire le bon. T'auras toute la nuit.
Yes, now.
You can go ahead.
Aujourd'hui c'est ton jour, happy birthday. Tout le monde à la maison, happy birthday, happy birthday. Aujourd'hui c'est ton jour, happy birthday.
I think I already opened my gift 2 seconds too long ago.
Hey, ooh, happy birthday. Ooh, happy birthday.
Where's that? Oh, it's her favorite watch. It's zoom in. You better take time on this one.
Thank you. Take time. This is so dope. Thanks. I haven't fit my hand.
There's a necklace too.
Oh yeah. This is one we're talking about?
Yeah. Comes with it.
Comes with the small necklaces.
Let me see. Alright.
Cute.
Yep, last.
Last. What is that?
Zoom out, zoom out. Uh-huh.
That's different. That's nice.
Yeah, small little bag, huh?
That's cute. I like. You got two?
Yep. I didn't have choices, okay?
I know. I knew I was going to get two anyways.
How do you know?
Because I know you. Thank you.
You are welcome. And the last one.
Keep the last one.
Yeah, I kept the last one. Sure.
Baby, I thought I saw you wrapping stuff up.
I don't wrap. I unwrap them. I didn't see the need of wrapping, and I'm wrapping, and I'm wrapping.
Oh, you wrapped it and unwrapping?
Yeah.
All right, right here.
It's the necklace you wanted.
You guys, I have been dying to get us necklaces. You have no idea. So nice.
They're like white gold diamonds.
Yeah. It has a little 8 in the show. So bomb.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Remember.
Bye-bye. Time to get ready and
Gotta eat.
go eat. Gonna eat.
6:56.
And
Get
there's another
ready.
surprise that is gonna finish and conclude the evening for the birthday. You wanna know?
Why?
Can't tell. You will see.
You're my fire, hold it tighter. What's mine is
I bet that shoe.
I believe. How many man are catting to take my place if I disrespected you? My love for you is timeless, precious items.
What time it is?
And I got a bag of girls on my back, but I told them I'm a home. My love for you is timeless, precious items, diamond. I'll be
So, this is my outfit of tonight. This is you. So yeah, we are going out to eat. This place is so down. Look up. They have heaven, they have hell. So bomb. So we have to wait 10 more minutes before we get in there. I guess they open at 8:15. They're so strict about their time. They keep on bugging me about this stupid mask.
Send me a text like, hey, your table is ready. I'll be back.
Alright. Yeah, they just text us that our tab was ready. Whenever we get there, they're telling us to wait 10 more minutes. So, yeah. Skip really got some day. Mask. I'm tired of wearing this damn mask. So.
Hey, thanks for joining me too. Enjoy yourselves now.
Thank you.
We going out to eat. The lights are darker here.
Somewhere here.
This is.
Happy birthday.
Forever 21.
Forever 21, huh? Enjoy the musical party. I would say, what do you have? Chicken from
some
here?
chicken pasta. Where's my mashed potato?
It's right here. This is my mushrooms, my small queen steak. Bon appetit.
Merci.
Alright. That's nice. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, baby wifey. Happy birthday to you. Enjoy your mousse.
It's really tastes like mousse.
Yeah. Let me see. Let me get that. Happy birthday. And ooh. Now for the surprise, we're going to helicopter ride. Are you ready?
I know you're lying.
No, I'm not lying, for real. We gotta leave here in 10 minutes, so gotta finish your cake right now, alright? I know you're scared of height, but you're gonna be fine.
You think that's funny?
It's not funny, but it's good. All right. Okay. Bon appetit.
Eat the most for me, yo.
Let me try that mousse thing.
A little quick update, you guys. We just got here, went on our tour. It's gonna be my first time riding in the helicopter. Wait, my hand kind of stuck in that. Baby, there you go. Yeah, so I just can't wait. I'm so scared. I'm having an anxiety.
I've been on the plane about a
He
million
did
times.
this, okay? Knowing damn well I'd be too scared. But wish me luck. Let them know why you did those. Why you didn't tell me.
Why would I tell you? It's supposed to be a birthday surprise.
I don't never wish to be there. It was not something that I wanted to do.
You've been on the plane about a million times.
Baby,
But
it's different on the plane, okay?
it's the same thing,
You know
right?
I'm afraid of that.
And I'm drinking your champagne.
That's fine. I did not die, you guys. I'm alive.